Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the range or the whole sheet that needs checking. This limits false flags. Once selected, press F7 or open Review Spelling to launch Excel's spell checker. The checker scans cell contents but skips formulas unless you edit them. Make sure visible text is correct. If you want to include comments or notes, select them first. You're now ready for the first suggestions. Listen, then choose Change, Ignore, or Add to Dictionary as each prompt appears. Once the spell checker starts, review each suggestion in context because Excel can't infer domain-specific terms. If a cell contains a formula, edit the cell and rerun spell check on the text portions. Named ranges and table headers may need manual review. Use Change All only when you're sure the replacement applies everywhere, otherwise step through individually. Make sure to check comments and headers separately. They're often skipped. Finally, use Add to Dictionary for recurring proper nouns so future checks pass quickly. To finish, rerun the spell check to confirm all edits and to catch any new issues introduced while fixing earlier ones. If Excel skips cells, make sure they're not formatted as numbers, dates, or protected. Convert to text or unprotect the sheet, then check again. If suggestions seem wrong, revert and add the correct term to the dictionary. If problems persist, save and reopen the workbook. That often clears transient issues and ensures the checker runs correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.